We are pleased to show you the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, fog lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Why buy from Palm Bay Ford? We treat you like family and offer the ultimate service after the sale that you just have to experience for yourself. It's car buying made simple with savings up to $9,000. Or shop online and get our best e-price. Invoice minus all rebates and incentives. Plus, the best used car warranty. If it breaks, we fix it. Period. Come to Palm Bay Ford and experience the difference for yourself at Palm Bay Ford.